brake?
No, I got it. Oh. It's broken. My bike's broken.
Yeah, it is broken.
Holy brakes, dude. Broken?
It's broken.
What the heck?
You want to take it to my car? I have all the tools.
So how did I break again?
You're not supposed to take it in the sand.
I am over mini bikes at this point. They keep breaking on me, dude. It feels like it goes faster now.
Nah, it's just lagging. You just need to clean out the carburetor.
So I broke the carburetor?
No, you didn't break it because it still turns on.
I have more experience with the mini bike than most people think I do. I could jump this on a mega ramp if I wanted to.
Let's do it.
No, I could.